Welcome back to 30 Days of Physics with Miss B, and we're moving right along into electromagnetic waves. You probably know of the sun as a big yellow flaming ball of ongoing fire. And you're quite right, but let's learn how it helps to sustain life here on Earth. The sun is the center of our solar system, which is the Milky Way. In the sun, there is hydrogen gas present in its core and they react together. Two hydrogen nuclei combine to produce helium atoms and loads of energy. This energy is referred to as light energy, while the process in which the energy is produced is referred to as nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion powers the sun. Life on Earth could not exist without the presence of the sun because it provides the energy needed for plants to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis is a process through which plants make their own food. Light from the sun catalyzes this reaction during the day. Plants begin every food web or food chain there is, and therefore without plants, animals would cease to exist, and this includes us. Earth is referred to as a Goldilocks planet, meaning that it is not too hot and it is not too cold. Earth is the third planet away from the sun, and its distance away from the sun is the reason for this. From the sun comes electromagnetic waves. They are all transverse waves. They travel at the same speed of 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. They can travel in a vacuum. They consist of varying electric and magnetic fields. They refract, reflect, diffract, and interfere, and transfer energy. Electromagnetic waves are a group of transverse waves consisting of an electric field and a magnetic field, which vibrate perpendicular to each other and to their direction of propagation. All of the electromagnetic waves together are referred to as the electromagnetic spectrum. There are 7 electromagnetic waves. They are listed in order of decreasing wavelength: radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. It is these electromagnetic waves which afford us the life we live on Earth today. They keep us warm, maintain plant life, keep us in contact, produce artificial lighting, are used in medicine, and the list goes on and on. Radio waves have the longest wavelength of all of the electromagnetic waves. It is used in radio and television broadcasting as well as cell phone communication. Microwaves are used to warm food. Microwave ovens harness microwaves via a magnetron which cause water molecules within the food to vibrate. This vibration causes friction as other water molecules in the food vibrate as energy is transferred to them, thereby gaining kinetic energy. This friction is the heat which in turn warms up your food. Infrared radiation is often used to heat food via the use of ovens, toasters, and heat radiators. It is also used in remote controls. Our bodies detect infrared radiation as heat. Ultraviolet radiation is absorbed by fluorescent substances, which eventually emits it as visible light of low frequency. Because of this, the production of detergents, banknotes, and fluorescent bulbs use ultraviolet radiation to their advantage. Clothes washed in detergents containing fluorescent substances make them look whiter in the sun as they absorb ultraviolet radiation from the sun, which then emits the energy as visible light. Banknotes use similar technology to stop the production of fraudulent banknotes. They are made of fluorescent substances which glow when exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Fluorescent bulbs contain mercury vapor. When an electric current is passed through it, ultraviolet radiation is emitted, which is absorbed by a fluorescent coating inside of the bulb, which causes it to emit the energy as visible light. X-rays are used in medicine to view bones. They're also used in luggage scanners and in X-ray crystallography, which is the study of investigating crystal structures. Gamma rays are used in cancer therapy, tracers, thickness measurements, and sterilization of food and water supplies. Alright, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching another episode of 30 Days of Physics with Miss B. See you tomorrow for the 23rd. Bye.